Another big event to transpire in Pangasinan is the Digital Information and Communications Technology Congress 2013, which is now in its third year. Its 2010 leg was held exclusively at the SMCT Rosales Cinemas, where schools from around the province have participated. In 2011, attendees congregated at the Pangasinan Training and Development Center in Lingayen for a 5-day full-pack convention where speakers from Manila, Baguio, and Cebu were invited to share their knowledge to students, instructors, government employees, and IT professionals. This year, 2 venues have been allocated to house the ICT 3, Lingayen and Urdaneta City. The aim is to bring the event closer to both eastern and western parts of the province, as well as nearby La Union and Tarlac. It's slated on 2 separate dates, October 10 at the Urdaneta Cultural and Sports Complex and October 17 to 18 at the Pangasinan Training and Development Center and Narciso Gym, Lingayen. The Congress expects a substantial number of a whooping 3,000 attendees or even twice that digit. The experienced list of speakers from around the country and the Southeast Asian region will be present to impart their acumens and IT students in various specialties such as involving communication, business, education, lifestyle, and society. Also, 4 scholastic competitions are dished out to the entire province to encourage and elevate the faculty and knowledge of aspiring IT professionals and big names in the making. These are app development, web development and design, I Love Pangasinan video editing /APP contest, and social innovation. With the theme Average to Awesome, the ICT 3 aims to rouse the withheld talents the youth have and to inspire the audience that greatness and success are not an intuitive trait. Luis de la Vega, Pangasinan Watch.